Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Apple Wiz. In today's video, we're going to see how you can fix iPhone touch screen not responding. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So this might be a glitch which is quite common on iPhone. So in order to fix this glitch, all you need to do is simply just force restart your phone. In order to first restart, what you're going to do is simply click on your volume up button, volume down button, and then keep pressing on your power on button until you see the Apple logo. When you see the Apple logo, you can release the power on button, and then within few seconds your phone will automatically be restarted. And I'm going to show you guys just how you can do it. Simply just volume up button, volume down button, and then keep pressing on your power on button until you see the Apple logo. So after you see the Apple logo just like this, release the button, and within few seconds your phone will automatically be restarted. And just like this, you can restart your phone and fix your iPhone touch screen not responding problem. Here you can see just like this, your screen will start responding. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.